Bro, we gotta be careful, man. Don't go crazy, Kyle.
Yeah, I know.
No, don't go crazy, bro. I'm telling you.
All right, I will. Oh, yeah.
You calling me?
Yeah.
What's up, bro?
What's up, bro?
What's happening? Bro, we gotta be careful, man. Don't go crazy, Kyle.
Yeah, I know.
I don't know the fucking road.
Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna get gas, dude.
I almost crashed like 3 times here, bro.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
And I know Kyle is fucking crazy. He's loose cannon, bro. I'm a loose cannon too. That's fine. Like, maybe we should send you first. No, don't go crazy, bro. I'm telling you.
Alright, well, use grocery words? No, I don't have those.
I'm not an adult yet.
Okay. You don't like the naked?
Not a big fan. Just the style.
Yeah. I'm gonna go racing next. Fuck this shit.
Don't worry about it now, bro. It's your first bike,
I
so.
wanna try it, bro. Bro, the turns are very difficult.
Yeah.
It's like no turning at all. It's all leaning and shit.
Right, it's all leaning. This, you could just go like this.
Yeah, bro. This is like so fucking easy.
His is completely different from this one.
Worst.
Yeah.
I couldn't turn shit, bro.
Yeah, his is the worst.
Huh? Oh, fuck it.
Here, look.
Okay, bro.
Go ahead. No, put it in like this, right there. Now go. Right there. Yep.
Big scoop, baby.
Heaping scoop. Heaping scoop. Listen to this thing. Listen to this thing.
Gnarly, dude.
Listen to it, bro. It's a track bike, yeah, track bike.
Yeah.
That thing's gnarly, man. That's dope, dude. It's crazy, these tires, man.
You gotta get all the way to the edge.
It's crazy, bro.
I work for this company. It's called Apex Assassin.
Yeah,
They do track days in Vegas and Chuckwalla in California.
that's what's up, bro.
Dude, but like you learn a lot really fast.
Right. Jeez, man. Jeez, what year is that one?
17.
A 17? Yeah, that's pretty new, bro. That's crazy. That's what's up, bro. We're going to the scenic loop actually right now. Alrighty, man. Appreciate that. Hello. Boom.
Alright,
Yep.
Oh man, I don't have service. Okay. I guess he's gonna go. I told him okay.
I think I'm gonna go too. Jeez! Wow. Wow. How, dude? That was so fun.
That shit's scary, yeah.
Dude, you were leaning, bro.
I'm trying, bro.
That was good.
Bro, that shit is risky though. There are some risky fucking turns, huh?
There was for me, not for you. You were good. But I was just going too fast, and one of the corners,
I can throw you off too, cause like
I was watching you, yeah.
that I fucked up, bro.
Yeah, because I followed you a few times because I was like, I don't know it.
Yeah.
Yo, just want to give a little disclaimer at the end of the video here to explain that that was my first time doing the scenic loop, and it was Ege's second time, so that's why we weren't going too fast and stuff like that. We don't really know the roads yet, but on top of that, I just wanted to thank all you guys. We're now, like, at the time of recording this video, around 800 subscribers, and it's just crazy because like, we're growing like crazy, and like I always say, I'm so thankful for each and every one of you guys. And I do have some Jaguar content coming on the way, so stay tuned for that, because I know a lot of you guys like my Jaguar as well. So, but yeah, little disclaimer I wanted to add at the end of the video. Thank you guys. Peace.